guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you guys like the video. Also, make sure you guys comment down below what you guys think about the video. And be sure to turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video every time I upload. If you hear my daughter in the background, just ignore it, please. She's not annoying, I promise y'all. So in today's video is going to be a little bit different from what I have on my channel. I'll be showing you guys what I put in my lip scrubs. In this video I will be doing the chocolate lip scrub. I don't know if you guys can see the chocolate lip scrub. So this is how I do all my other lip scrubs, just so you guys get a little behind the scenes on how I make my lip scrub. And make sure you guys comment down below, like, if there's something you want me to stop using, or is there something you want me to start using. So what I use is organic coconut oil, and I use grapeseed oil. So you also want to make sure you have your measuring spoon. So this is a cup measuring spoon, so I will be doing a half a cup because I'm not making that many. I'm only making some for the video. And also, if you guys want to enter or try to get, free things, make sure you guys go to my website. I will have it on the screen below and in the description box. Make sure you guys go sign up and put your email in so you guys know about launch day. So you want to start off, I'm not going to say you guys are going to start off because this is how I make my lip scrubs. So I'm going to start off by using a half a cup of granulated sugar. So let me just do that. You're going to just pour it into the bowl. Like I said, I'm not making it, I'm just making it for this video. So as I do my coconut oil, my grapeseed oil, I eyeball it. So I'm the type of person that just eyeballs. Like I said, guys, you can't measure it, but I eyeball my stuff because I pretty much know everything and what I'm doing. So, and if I don't think it's enough, I will add more. Like here, I'm gonna just add a little bit of more of grapeseed oil and a tiny bit of coconut oil. But you guys see that texture? Like, it's that good texture. It's not too much and it's not too small. I'm just gonna add a little bit more.
Now that I have the perfect texture of my lip scrubs, I am now going to add my color. I will be adding the TKB chocolate brown. I'm not going to add a lot. I'm only going to add a little bit because I want it to make it look like it's chocolate. So we're going to try this first, and then we're going to just get the color that we want. You guys want to make sure, I always make sure, you want to make sure you really stirred it well enough so you know that, okay, this is the color, but I want it a little darker. As you can see, it is getting a little brown to make it look like chocolate. Like I just said, you want to make sure you're really stirring it to get that color, that real color. I'm going to just add a little bit more. Because I kind of really want it darker than that. Now that our scrub is the color we want, now that it is looking more like chocolate, this is the right color that I want it to be. Now it is time to add our flavoring oil, which is the chocolates. You don't want to add too much of the chocolate flavoring oil because it is kind of strong. So you may just want to add a few drops. Maybe like if you got a pipette, that's good. You just want to just drop all of that in there. I don't add a lot because it is really strong. This smells so good.
Okay, so now that we added our flavor oil, it is time to fill up these jars. I'm gonna put my gloves on. Had to switch out gloves. The other one had lip scrubs on it, and I don't want the jars to be messy. So these are our jars. I get these jars from Amazon. They will be in the link below. This is the finished product. This is our 2-ounce jars. We also come in bigger jars. We also have other lip scrubs, as in orange, tropical punch, strawberry, watermelon, blue raspberry, pineapple, vanilla, banana, and all sorts of kinds of other flavors. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And be sure you guys check out the website on launch day. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I will see you guys in the next video.
You play